Hey, how's it going? It's Jared from Marigold Library System. For today's craft, we're going to be making mini basketball hoops. To make your mini basketball hoops, you're going to need a white piece of paper, a piece of cardboard, a piece of paperboard, 7 straws, a plastic cup that's ideally clear, a red or orange Sharpie, a black Sharpie, a pair of scissors, a ruler, tape, and a hot glue gun. To start your mini basketball hoops, you're going to make your pole. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of tape and you're going to put it off to the side where it's easy to grab. And then you're going to take your straws and you're going to make a cylinder with them. Now, what you need to do is you need to make sure that there's 1 straw in the middle and that there are 6 straws surrounding it. Then once you're happy with it, you're going to push it down until you feel like the surface at the top is flush. Just like that. And once it's flush, you're going to take your tape and you're going to wrap it all the way around. Push on the top again to make sure it's still flush. And then you can do the same thing with the other side. Once you're finished your pole, you're going to go ahead and glue it to your cardboard. So I like to put a little bit of hot glue on the cardboard where I'm going to put the pole, and then you can just push your pole down into it and hold it for a little bit until the glue is set. Next, we're going to make our backboard. What I like to do is take my ruler and mark out an area that is 6 inches long and that is 3 inches tall. Once you've made your rectangle outline, you can take your scissors and you can cut it out. The next step is optional, but if you want to make your backboard white, you can take your paper and wrap the piece of paperboard. Once you've made your backboard, it's time to make your hoop and net with your plastic cup. So you can use a knife or a pair of scissors to do this. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to poke a hole about halfway or a little under halfway up the cup, and you're going to cut all the way around. Once you've cut the bottom of the cup off, I like to take a pair of scissors and make sure that my cup is flush. Once you've finished cutting the bottom of your plastic cup off, you can take a red or orange Sharpie and you can color the rim of your plastic cup to make the rim of the basketball hoop. Then you can take your black Sharpie and you can make lines that are crisscrossed, and that'll be your net. Once you finish the rim and net, you can go ahead and glue it to the backboard. But if you find that it's not sitting at a 90-degree angle with the backboard, you can take a piece of paperboard and use it as a wedge to hold up the net. Next, you can decorate your backboard. So what I'm going to do is create a small square right above the hoop. Once you've finished your backboard, rim, and net, you can glue it to the pole. If you want to, you can double up on the supplies for your basketball hoop and make 2 of them and play across the table from someone else. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and check out marigoldprograms.ca for more programs, challenges, and activities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.